In this video, we're going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp messages on an Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tips. To restore messages, you will need to have a backup available. Here's how you can check. Begin by opening up WhatsApp on your phone and then clicking the settings icon, which is either going to be located in the bottom right of your screen or the top right. Go ahead and open up settings and then scroll down a little bit until you find the chats option and open it up. From here, find chat backup and open that up as well. And from here, you'll see the date and time of your last backup. Now you can also back up now if you would like, and it might take a little bit, but it's going to back up all of your recent chats. Now to begin the restore process, simply go ahead and exit out of the WhatsApp app and then tap and hold on the WhatsApp icon and uninstall it. Keep in mind, anything received after your last backup is going to be lost. Simply go ahead and open up the Google Play Store, reinstall WhatsApp, and open it. It's going to automatically begin the setup process. During the setup, WhatsApp is going to automatically detect a backup and prompt you to restore chats. Simply tap restore and wait for the process to finish, and once it completes, your chats are going to be restored and ready to use. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.